Hello traders, welcome to Smart Trading with Market Profile VSA and Order Flow Analysis. So if anyone has not watched our yesterday's analysis, please do watch, which is available in iCard. So as discussed, today market was opened a very gap down with a point of around 400 points gap down. So market was opened here and it just tested this single print and it was dragged down very badly. So if you observe, this area is actually to 2020 June, July, August kind of 3 months of around 3 months of consolidation area. So market was again fall back into that consolidation area. So if we observe how the market was closed, see POC has formed just middle of the profile, and the profile is almost a balanced kind of thing, and the market was closed above the POC and HVN of the today's one, right? So just keep aside this and let's move on to the OFA chart. So OFA chart, if we see this morning very first period itself, we have a 7 lakh quantity sell off, right? So let me split this so that we can see this clearly, and later on keep selling, and there is a little kind of buying 3 lakh and 3.4 lakh, but which is not sustained above this today's high. So market finally, the market last delta was around 46,000, but if you clearly observe this, the last two period L and M period is around 6.5 lakh quantity has we have a buy quantities. So let us observe this VSA part as well, right? So VSA market was opened very gap down, then it was rejected from this area. I may expect, and majorly this point of view is POC is also closed above today's profile, sorry, like middle of the profile. So I may expect tomorrow little gap down, just test this, right, and may drag down, right? So that is tomorrow's what we are expecting. So when we come to our supporting tool, supporting tool, I discussed it was broken this area, and this is a 3 months of kind of consolidation area. Let us see. June, July, August, right? June, July, August 21. So this is a consolidation area of June, July, August, right? Market was stuck into this area, and today we have a kind of a doji bar as well, right? Right. So one more thing I just wanted to show you. If we draw the weekly trend line for the weekly chart from Jan to April, it just broken this yesterday's and closed below this weekly trend line. So we may expected a big fall. So as expected today, it was a very big fall, right? So that's the one. And so this is Nifty future chart. So today we have drawn a line for the high volume bar. From there, it was rejected from there, and kind of a thing. So let us come to the Bank Nifty. If anyone has not watched, on Thursday 4th of March we have taken the STBT trade, and it was given very nice. Of course our hedging was eat up very much our profit, almost 50% of profit, but we closed that hedging position of CE leg in morning itself. After market open couple of minutes, we have closed that CE position, and we just carried on the PE position, right? So if we observe this today morning, market was opened at top, and from there it was dragon like anything, right? So market, if you observe closely, that POC has shifted to the upper portion of today's profile, and HVN is also formed there itself. Market was closed just below that, right? Just keep aside this. When come to the OFA part, morning itself we have a good sell off of around 3 lakh, right? So it's keep on selling off, and we have buy, but it is not taken out our today's high, right? If you observe the last two periods, L and M period, it's around 1.8 lakh, right? The overall delta is a minus 2.4 lakh, right? So VSA, if we observe VSA, so we have a delta of 16,000 and a volume of 16,000, delta is a 331, whereas we have volume of 5,000 and delta is around 200, which is the volume cut down by 1/3, but whereas the delta was just 100 points below this volume of delta of this bar. So, and even we have a negative delta with the negative volume with the positive delta, and we have buy signal. We may expect tomorrow Bank Nifty for sure gap up, right? Gap up, and from there it may test this area, or it cover up this gap kind of thing, then may fall. Let us see how it will be react and where it was open. Based on that, we can guess what is going to be happen, right? Yeah. When come to the Bank Nifty, just it was closed on the weekly resistance bar. Okay, say as expecting, like tomorrow it may gap up, and from there it may test this area and come down, right? Keep watching.